Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to publish a website on Squarespace. First things first, we have to log in into our website and also log in into our Squarespace account. Now we have to pick an option of which website we want to tweak in. So in my case, it's this My Dashboard option, the first one. So I'm gonna click on Go to Website and it will take me to the editor. In here, we want to focus on left sidebar where the settings are. We're gonna click on Settings and straight away the first option is Site Availability. And we're gonna click there. There are three options: public, password protected, and private. So at the moment, I'm running a free version of Squarespace, so I can show you everything. But for this particular task, you have to go with public, but you have to upgrade the plan. The starting plan is 11 euros a month if you want to be paid, if you want to subscribe for 1 year, or 15 euros if you want to make it monthly. It's not a lot of money. It's very cheaper than other providers, and also they are giving you the integrations also, so it's more than enough. If you need the premium integrations, you will have to go with a business option. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.